And the beautiful thing that God will do is he'll be able to, or once you felt condemned or ashamed, now you're able to testify that something that God has brought you from, because through the confessing of the sins, through the prayer, through the healing, through the restoration, now it's a testimony that will help somebody else. And instead of it, even if you already got free from it and nobody knows, it's like, man, nobody really knows that I've been going through this or I've dealt with this. And the enemy's still able to kind of confide you and keep you, I guess, like ashamed.
Watch the full video on our YouTube channel.